What if you could make money every day by using your phone? Sounds too good to be true, right? But it's not. In this video, we'll show you how you can make money daily using just 8 apps. It's time to turn your phone into a money-making machine. Check it out. With these apps, you've got a bunch of different ways to make some extra money. You could upload your grocery receipts, do surveys, or just simply drive around. There are so many possibilities. If this is the kind of stuff that floats your boat, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button so you never miss a beat from my channel. Alright, let's dive into it. You know what they say, work smarter, not harder. And while we all know it's true, let's be real, sometimes it's just easier said than done. But what if I told you that there's a way to earn some extra cash without breaking a sweat? Yep, you heard me right, with just your trusty mobile device, you could be raking in the dough in no time. Now, I know what you're thinking, yeah right, sounds too good to be true. But trust me on this one, folks, it's the real deal. So here's the deal, watch this video all the way through, and I promise you won't regret it. We've rounded up 8 killer apps that'll have you earning some serious coin within 24 hours of downloading them. And the best part? They're all 100% free. First up, we have On My Way. Have you heard of the On My Way app? It's super cool because you actually get paid for every mile you drive. Of course, safety first, make sure to avoid any distractions like scrolling through YouTube or Instagram while you're behind the wheel. Now, here's the best part, when you sign up for the app, they'll actually pay you $100 just to get started. And then, for every mile you drive, you'll earn 5 cents. Okay, we know that doesn't sound like a lot, but let's do the math. If you drive 14,000 miles a year, you could actually make over $700. Plus, if you tell your friends about the app and they sign up, you'll get a $2 bonus for each person. And on top of that, you'll earn an extra 2 cents for every mile they drive. So, not only are you making some extra dough, but you're also helping out your pals. It's a win-win. The next most valuable method to earn money is Receipt Jar. Fellow shopper. Quick question for you, what do you normally do with all those pesky receipts you get every time you hit up the stores? Toss them in the trash, never to be seen again? Well, my friend, I've got some news for you, those receipts could actually be your ticket to some sweet, sweet cash. Yep, you heard me right. All you've got to do is hang on to those little slips of paper, snap a quick pic with your phone, and submit it to our app. And what do you get in return? Points, baby. Those points can be redeemed for cold hard cash or gift cards to your favorite shops. But wait, there's more. You can also earn money by spreading the word about our app, doing some simple tasks, or using a variety of other techniques. And the more receipts you upload, the more cha-ching you'll see in your account. The third app is Surveys on the Go. And for the savvy survey taker. Have you heard of Survey on the Go? If not, let me fill you in on the deets. This little gem of an app is a fan favorite among both Apple and Android users. And it's no wonder why both the Google Play Store and Apple Store are practically overflowing with glowing reviews. And the best part? You can start earning cash money right away, baby. As soon as you download the app, you'll get a cool $1 in your pocket. From there, you can take surveys whenever you've got some free time to kill. Most surveys will earn you between $1 and $5, but some will even pay out more than $10. That's some serious dough, my friend. And let's not forget, Survey on the Go consistently gets high marks compared to other survey apps out there. The next best way to earn money is Be My Eyes. Be My Eyes is a very easy to use software that displays all the missions that need to be completed after installation. Here's how it works. After you download the app, you'll see a list of tasks that need to be completed. You can pick and choose which ones you want to tackle based on how much cash they'll earn you and how long they'll take to complete. Now, fair warning, the tasks that pay out big bucks usually require some serious skills. So unless you're a rocket scientist or a master chef, you might want to stick with the simpler assignments. One tip for success, choose tasks that take place in locations you already frequent. That way, you can knock them out while you're already there. Smart, right? On average, you can expect to earn between $3 and $15 per task. Not too shabby for a little bit of extra effort, if you ask me. Next up, something for the gamers. Are you tired of spending all your time and money on your favorite games? Well, guess what? Now you can actually get paid to play them. And the best part? You don't even have to leave your couch. Introducing GameHag, the fifth app on our list of money-making miracles. It's pretty simple, really. Just play games on your smartphone and start earning soul gems. Once you've racked up enough of these babies, you can trade them in for cold, hard cash. Depending on where you are in the world, you could earn anywhere from $1 to $3 for every 500 gems you collect. And for all you hardcore gamers out there, this app could be a serious game changer, pun intended. You get to do what you love and get paid for it. It's a win-win situation. Calling all financial wizards. Are you tired of feeling like you don't know jack about money? Do you wish you could learn how to adult like a pro without having to sit through a boring lecture? Well, have no fear, Zogo is here. Zogo is a financial education app that rewards you for improving your financial literacy. Because let's face it, they don't exactly teach you how to balance a checkbook in school. But with Zogo, you can learn all sorts of useful financial skills while earning some sweet rewards. And the best part? It's super easy to use. All you have to do is earn some pineapples by playing games and answering financial questions, and then trade them in for gift cards, deposits, or whatever else your heart desires. Next up, we have Shopkick. It's a game changer for anyone who loves grocery shopping and who doesn't love getting paid to shop, right? All you have to do is use the app while you shop, and you'll earn rewards like gift cards and cash. It's like a treasure hunt for money. There are a few ways to earn with Shopkick. First, just by entering a store, you'll get paid for choosing that company. It's like they're thanking you for gracing them with your presence. Next, you can earn by scanning barcodes of specific items in the store. Just point and shoot with the app, and you'll earn rewards. The third way is by scanning your receipts. Yes, you read that right. You can get paid just for uploading a picture of your receipt. It's like free money for doing something you were going to do anyway. And don't forget, you can also invite your friends to use the app and earn rewards for yourself. It's like a win-win-win situation. Lastly, let me introduce you to Unbabel, the app that pays you for fixing bad translations. And don't worry, it's not as hard as you might think. Unbabel receives messages from some of the biggest companies in the world and automatically translates them. But sometimes the translations aren't quite up to snuff, so they pay you to approve the good ones and fix the bad ones. And who doesn't love getting paid to be a grammar police? Of course, you'll need to be pretty good at the language to do this, but if you pass the quick examination, you could be making $8 to $18 an hour. Not too shabby, huh? To sum up, making money with your phone is easier than you might have thought. With these 8 apps, you can turn your phone into a money-making machine and start earning some extra cash right away. Whether it's driving with On My Way, turning your receipts into cash with ReceiptJar, taking surveys with Surveys on the Go, or completing tasks with Be My Eyes, there are plenty of ways to start earning some serious coin. So don't wait, download these apps today and start making money every day with just a few clicks of your phone. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button for more great videos like this one. Thanks for watching.